In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App card to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to settings, then here go to users and accounts. Now here press a go to account and wait for a few seconds to load, and now go to payment and subscriptions. Now here go to payment methods, and here you'll see the option to add a debit or credit card. Go on it and press X, and there are two ways to add the card. So you can scan the QR code using your PlayStation app, or you can go, or here you can see at the bottom, use controller instead. So press the down arrow on your controller and go to, and then press X on use controller instead. And now here you can add the debit credit card number and all of the details, and then go on continue and press X, and the card will be added. So this is how you can add Cash App card to your PS5. Thanks for watching.